Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, O level mathematics, 4024, question 1, 21 October, November 19. And the statement of the question is Nima travels on a business trip. The total cost of her flight is $405 including tax. The cost of the flight excluding tax is $350. Calculate the tax as percentage of 350. So students, the cost of the flight is $350 and in which some tax is included, and after tax the price is $406. We have to find the tax percentage. So student, tax percentage means the amount of tax, and we can find amount of tax by subtracting 350 from 406, and then we will divide this amount with 350 and multiply it with 100%. So we can use calculator. 406 minus 350 and then press equal sign and then divided by 350 multiply by 100%. I am going to do it. You should watch it. First we will write 406 minus 350 and then put equal sign, and then divide it, multiply it with 100 and divide it with 350. You can divide first and multiply second as well. Answer will remain the same, 16%. So its answer is 16%. B part of the same question is Nima takes a suitcase with mass 15.5 kg correct to nearest 0.5 kg. She also takes six packets each with mass 1.2 kg correct to nearest 0.1 kg, and the suitcase is nearest 0.5 kg. So students, we will find upper bound and lower bound of 15.5 up to 5 kg, 0.5 kg. 0.5 kg mean by 2 means 0.25. Students, if here is 15.75, it will be rounded off to the next 16 kg. So we can't write 15.75. If here will be 5, then we have to round it off to the next kg, that is 16 kg. So here you must write 0.01% less, and the lower bound will be 15 minus 15.5 minus 2.5, and we will have 15.25. It is lower bound, and because 1.2 kg is correct to the nearest 1 kg, so if we divide 0.1 with 2, and we will have 0.05. So we can't write here 1.25. If here will be 1.25, when we round it off it will become 1.3, but it is not 1.3, it is 1.2. That's why we have to write here 1.24. Keep in mind students, 5 is carrying digit. If we write 5 here, then that 5 will give the carry to next digit to make it 3. So here we have to write 4. Here you can write 5 because 5 is carrying digit, and when this 5 gives the carry to this one, it will become 1.2. And we have to find the mass of upper bound. So upper bound is 15.74 and it is only one suitcase, plus there are 6 packets each having 1.24 kg mass. So we will write 15.75 plus 6 multiplied by 1.24 to get 23.18 kg. So students, Naima is not sure because the upper bound of the mass is 23.18 kg and he can carry only 23 kg. So he is not sure to take it with her. So C part of the same question is Nima changed $245 to euro for a trip, and the exchange rate is $1 is equal to euro 0.73. So students, we will multiply both the side with 245 because she has $245. When we multiply 245 with 1, we will get 245, and we have to multiply 0.73 with 245 because we can multiply both sides with the same number, and euro will be 0.73 multiplied by 245, and euro will become 178.85. On the trip, she spends euro 124. When she returns, she changes the remaining euros back to dollar at the rate of $1 equal to euro 0.76. Now students, first we will find the change with her. She has 178.85 euro and she spent 124, so we will subtract 124, and she has 54.85 euro with her, and the exchange rate is $1 is equal to euro 0.76. We divide both the side with 0.76 to get 1 euro. So students, $1 over 0.76 will be equal to 1 euro. Both sides will be multiplied with the same number, 54.85. So 54.85 euro will be $72.17, and we have to round it off up to nearest dollar, so it is $72. D part of the same question is, on her next trip, Nima hires a car. She drives a total of 657 km in the car. The car uses fuels at a rate of 4.3 liters per 100 km. Nima pays $1.29 per liter of fuel. Calculate the amount she spends on fuel during the trip. So students, for 100 km, 4.3 liters are required. So for 1 kilometer, 4.3 over 100 liters are required, and for 657 kilometer, 4.3 over 100 multiplied by 657 liters. So total consumption of petrol will be 28.25 liter, and the cost of 1 liter is $1.29. So it will be multiplied with 28.25, and the cost for petrol is 36.44 that we have to find. Last part of the same question is, Nima stays in a hotel for 7 nights. This is her hotel bill, and it is the bill. 7 nights at the rate of what per night? So cost is 805. We will divide 805 with 7 to get 115 per night, because the cost for 7 night is $805. So we will divide it with 7 to get it 115. Next students, 4 dinners at the rate of what, and cost is unknown. So students, next, total cost before tax unknown, and including tax the cost is $996.84, and in this amount 6.5% tax is included. Before tax the amount is X dollar. So students, 6.5% will be added in 100% and multiply it with the cost before tax, because after tax the cost is $996.84. So 100% plus 6.5% of X is 996.84. We will add 106.5 to get 106.5, and in place of percentage we will write over 100 multiplied by X. 100 is dividing, when we transfer it to other side it will multiply, and 106.5 is multiplying, when we transfer it to other side it will divide. Use calculator. 996.84 multiplied by 100 divided by 106.5 to get 936. So it is the cost before tax. So it is 996. Now students, we will find the cost of 4 dinners as total cost of stay and dinner is 936. So we will subtract 805 from 936 to get 131, and as there are 4 dinners, so we will divide 131 with 4, because at dollar each we have to find. So 131 will be divided by 4 to get 32.75, and it is the question. I hope that you have understood it very clearly, and if you feel any kind of difficulty you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can mention your problem in comment box. This same video is uploaded in Urdu as well. If you want to watch in Urdu, you can visit the same channel. And at the end, I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.